O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID-19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen.
Language.
So please take page number 20, workbook page
Good
number
morning,
20.
ma'am. Book.
Work,
Ma'am.
first of all, take textbook.
Good
Take
morning,
textbook.
ma'am.
First of all, take
Book.
textbook.
Number.
Page number 20. Page number 20. Let me share this. Page number 20. Page number 20.
No.
Okay. Now, we completed A and B and we have to go through C. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Now,
Yes.
question number C. Please be quiet. Question number C. And we have a triangle and down we can see a star. Again, one more triangle and the star is left side. And again, triangle, the star is down. Again, triangle, the star is right side. So here we have to draw the remaining. Okay. So what will come next? Again, it will be repeated. Okay. It will be repeated. But what will come next? What will come next? Again, we have to draw the triangle. What is the first one? Triangle and the star is at the
Down.
bottom is down. So we can do once again the star at the bottom. Okay. Then what about the next one? We will draw the triangle. Now where is the position of the star? After bottom, which will come next? Left side. Left side. So we can put the left side. Again. Page number 20. Page number 20. Textbook page number 20. Again, we draw the triangle. Again, the third one. Third. Where is the star here? Bottom. Okay. Now we have the fourth figure. Draw the triangle. Now, where is the star? Right side. Right side. So all of you please complete it. All of you please complete the pattern. First one, we have triangle. The star is at the bottom.
I have completed.
And second one, the star is the left side.
Only which page?
Then third one, we have the triangle again at the bottom. Fourth one, it is right side. Then it is again repeating. So starting from the first triangle, the star at the bottom side, triangle, the star at the left side, third one, triangle, star at the bottom side, fourth one, triangle, the star at the right side. Now we can see a hexagon.
Ma'am, I now join which page?
Page number 20. Textbook, page number 20. It's already there in the textbook, no need to draw. You can see a hexagon. Hexagon means having 6 sides. Having 6 sides. Okay. Now, let us see question number D. All of you please listen here. Question number D, you can see some hexagons. There are 4 hexagons here. And in the inside of the hexagon, some lines are there. What about the first one? You can see the line here. If you put the number for the sides, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 sides are there. We call it as hexagon. And the line inside, it is at the first line. Then we can see the line at the third one here, alternatively. Then we can see the line inside the line at the fifth one. Yes, so no?
Yes.
Yes. Now look at the second one. Where is the line inside of the hexagon? Where is the line? You can see at the second position, second side. You can see where at the fourth side position, and you can see at the sixth side position.
Page number?
Page number 20. Textbook page number 20. Now these two are repeating. Okay, the first one and second one is repeating. You can see alternatively the lines inside the hexagon. So the third one, no need to do, it's already there in the textbook. So again we have first one, third one, fifth one, then second one, fourth one, sixth one. The same you have to repeat again. Okay, so draw, all of you draw once again. 4 hexagons.
I cannot draw.
Now the same is repeating, starting with the first one. So the line inside will come here. Then the next one, no lines. Then the third side, then the fifth side. Here, second side, fourth side, sixth side. First side, third side, fifth side. Second one, fourth one, sixth one. So this you have to draw. For a hexagon, there are 6 sides, and just I mark the sides. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the first hexagon, we can see line inside the hexagon towards first side, third side, fifth side. Then second one, we can see second side, fourth side, and sixth side. 1, 3, 5, or 2, 4, 6. Then it is the same thing is repeating. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
So please draw.
Full completed. Full completed.
Very good. Now, if you have completed, no need to unmute your device. You think what will come in the next pattern. Okay.
Right.
No need to write. No need to write. Listen. Let me discuss. Shall we discuss the question number E? Question E, shall we discuss?
Yes.
Now, all of you, please listen here. You can see the question E look like star shape, and you can see inside one bead, no? One circle shape you can see. And here it is where? Down. Then you can see left side. It is rotating. Then the third one you can see up. The fourth one you can see right. So the same thing is repeating again. Okay, repeating again. So let us draw. Then you have to draw. Okay, please draw.
Ma'am, this is math class 2B.
It's 2B.
Ma'am, take the book.
Book is textbook. Now here we can see the first one. Where is a circle? Where is a black circle? Down. Then where we can see? Left. The next one where we can see? Up. The last one where we can see? Right. It is rotating. It is rotating. So if you have completed, you can take the workbook. We are doing the exercise in the workbook. So you can close your textbook. Please take a workbook.
Page number?
Page number 5. Page number 5.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Same I will forward in the group also. The same.
Ma'am, I do that exam.
That I will post it in
Ma'am,
the
I
group.
do the exam. Rihan.
See, listen here. Okay, Rihan, tell me.
I do the exam.
Rihan, tell me louder.
I do the exam.
You did already. You completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now listen, children. If you didn't complete, no. Listen here. If you didn't complete, also it's okay. I will post the same page in the group. Can you complete from there? Shall we move to workbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise,
Ma'am, Sarah
completed. Sarah completed.
No, ma'am.
I should share the screen or I should post in the group. What I should do, Sarah?
Screen.
You want to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you are doing?
The star one. The star one.
E. Please do it fast. Please do it fast. The same page I will forward in the group also. Please do it fast.
Number what?
This one page number. Text. If it is textbook, a page number. And if it is workbook, page number 5.
Page number 5.
Yes, page number 5. Sarah, shall I
Yes, ma'am.
stop sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I take the workbook?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all of you please take workbook, page number 5.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is calling? Pratana?
number what?
Page number 5. I will share the screen. The same page you can see on the screen also.
Ma'am, take I have taken it.
Okay, good. I have taken.
I have taken.
The same page you can see on the screen also. Now please be quiet. Pratana, please read the first question. Others, please be quiet. We have multiple choice question. Question number 1.
This shape
This shape is a dash. What is the shape? Is it rectangle or cube, circle or oval? Which one? Cube. So the answer is option B, cube. So put tick mark for option B, cube, and write a capital letter B inside the brackets.
Ma'am, my complete.
Okay, good, Pratana. Good. Now we can move to next one. Henry Baiju, please unmute.
Ma'am, Aisha.
Henry Baiju, please unmute and read question number 2.
This shape is a dash.
Now we have option A cylinder, option B cone, option C cube, option D rectangle. What is the answer, Henry?
Cylinder.
Very good. Option A cylinder. Put tick mark for option A cylinder and write the capital letter A inside the bracket. Please, if I am calling out your name, you can unmute and talk to me. If all are talking, we can't understand anything.
Ma'am, Aisha.
Aisha, please turn on your video. And read question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 3.
This shape is a dash.
This shape is a dash, and we have option A cone, option B cuboid, option C cube, option D sphere. Which is a shape? Aisha?
Shape.
Which one? Which one?
Cuboid.
Cuboid?
Sphere.
It is
Sphere.
option D, sphere.
Sphere.
Cuboid means matchbox is an example, or bricks is an example, or your eraser is an example. So we have the third one, it is sphere. Okay, and you have to put tick mark for option D, sphere, and write capital letter D inside bracket.
Ma'am, write the spelling.
No need to write the spelling. Now we can move to page number 6. Shall we move page number 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mano, please unmute. Now, question number 4. Again, we have multiple choice questions. Question number 4. Mano, please read the question. Read. Mano, unmute and read.
The next.
Others, please be quiet.
Shape
After, read the pattern.
Circle. Triangle. Circle. Triangle. Option A will be.
Listen here. Others, please be quiet. I told you many times. Please be quiet. Manav, please read the pattern once again. Circle.
Rectangle, circle, rectangle.
So what will come the next two shapes? We have option A, circle, rectangle. Option B, rectangle, circle. Option C, circle, circle. Option D, rectangle, rectangle. Which is the correct option?
Option A.
Very good. Option A, circle, rectangle. So put tick mark for option A and write capital letter A inside the bracket.
Ma'am, this one color it.
No need to color it. You just put a tick mark. That's enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, Adelan, please unmute. Look at the question number 5. Please read the question.
The next two shapes after.
You can see a quadrilateral having 4 sides figure. Quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
Circle.
Circle.
Quadrilateral.
Circle.
Will be dash. Okay. And we have options. First one, A, rectangle, circle. Quadrilateral, circle. C, quadrilateral, rectangle. D, circle, quadrilateral. Which is the correct option here?
B.
B. So we can put a
B.
mark for B and write capital letter B inside the bracket.
Ma'am, please, Krishna Priya.
Yes.
Ma'am, Krishna Priya.
Shall we move to question number 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Agnes Jojo, please unmute Agnes and please read the question.
Come the pattern for
question number 6. Question number 6.
The next two shape after.
You can see a 6-sided figure, that is hexagon. We call it a hexagon, square.
Square, hexagon, square.
Will be dash. And we have options. Option A, square, hexagon. Option B, circle, square. Option C, hexagon square. Option D, circle hexagon. Which is the correct option, my dear?
Option A.
Hey, is it option A?
Option C.
Ah,
Option
option
C.
C, hexagon square. So put tick mark for option C and write a capital letter C inside the bracket. Now we have fill in the blanks. Question number 7. Now, question number 7, complete the pattern for questions from 7 to 9. And in that, we have question number 7. We can see up arrow, left side arrow, up arrow, dash, up arrow, left side arrow. Austin, unmute and tell me the answer. What will come at the dash? Which arrow will come? Is it up arrow or left side arrow?
Left side arrow.
Very good. So all of you please draw left side arrow. Draw the shape with pencil and color it. Which color, Austin? Which color we have to give?
It's blue.
We have to give blue color. All of you please give blue color.
Ma'am, can I color?
Yeah. Please draw with the pencil and color it.
Color is finished.
Okay, please be quiet. If you have completed, please take page number 7. Page number 7. Jewel, you have completed 7, question number 7. Shall we move to 8?
Yes.
Okay, please read the question number 8. Please read the pattern. Is there anyone to complete page number 6?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Jewel, please read the question number 8. Pattern. What is a pattern? Circle, standing rectangle,
Standing rectangle, dash,
standing rectangle, circle,
standing rectangle,
So what will come in at the dash?
circle,
Circle. What is the color of the circle?
green.
Green. Very good. It will come green.
And color it?
For the circle and color it.
Ma'am, light green or dark green?
Light green you can give. Let us do one more question. Okay. Rihan Hanifa, please unmute. Rihan. Read the pattern, question number 9. Rihan. Please read the pattern, question number 9. Question number 9. We have square. Okay, everyone, it is square and it's given different color. What's the color of the first square, Rihan?
Yeah.
It's yellow color.
Yellow color. And
then what about the next one?
Brown.
Brown.
And yellow color. Brown.
So
and
what will
yellow.
what will come next?
Square. Yellow color.
What color? Square will come. Very good. What will come? What is the color?
Yellow.
Yellow, very good. So all of you please draw the square and give the color yellow. Okay, good, Rehan.
And I have completed.
Very good, very good. If you have completed, it's good. Very good. Now,
Ma'am, observation I have completed.
okay, good, good, very good.
You
Those who
will
have completed can close your workbook and let us do daily test paper.
Ma'am, what ma'am?
We have daily test paper. That means we have 4 questions, okay? And that you have to do. I will paste the link in the chat box so you can attend the daily test paper. Let me stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The same page I will forward in the group also. Now we have the daily test paper having only 4 questions. Okay, it's very simple. And it's about a pattern. And last day I gave 1 question for writing 3 times. Did you write and study 3 times in the rough book? Yes. Okay, good. Very good. Now please listen back. Let me send the link in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
The chat box.
Send the WhatsApp also.
Yes, yes, I will send the notes. I will send the pages. Now, please look at the chat box. You can see the link. Please check the link. Directly go to the paper and you can type your name and touch your correct class.
Ma'am, which class going on?
It's 2B. Now we have the first question. Rehan, listen. The repeated parts of a pattern is called its dash. Okay, are you doing the daily test paper?
No, ma'am. My mother not here. I don't given chat box.
I will send the link in the chat box once again.
Ma'am, your
Okay, Megadarshi got it?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now please do it. Now the first question, the repeated parts of a pattern is called dash. Rehan, Mohammed Rehan, you didn't get the link?
Ma'am,
Ah.
my mother.
It's okay then. I will do one thing. I will send the link personally to you. Okay. So you have to do it. Okay. Rehan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And we have the options flat shapes, solid shape, basic shapes. First question.
A pattern is called.
Second question we have repeating a shape or a group of shapes in a particular order give rise to a dash. Options are pattern.
Ma'am, I didn't got it.
Shapes. Sandri, I will send it. Now you got it, Sandria?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have third question. Complete the pattern. Very careful. 1A, 3B, 5C. It's a combination of number and letters.
Ma'am, but
One
it's going.
Yes, Andrea?
It's going.
I will send once again. If you didn't connect it, I will do one thing. Send me a personal message. I will send it to you personally. Okay. You don't worry. It's a daily test. It's a practicing. That's only. I will send you the link once again. Okay. Now we have the fourth question. We have complete the pattern again. That is very simple. Backward counting 22, 20, 18, dash. We have the options 17, 16.
I didn't get it.
Yes, Andrea?
Completed.
Andrea didn't get the link?
Four.
It's okay, Del Maria. Very good. Sandria, what are you telling? It's time to winding up the session, so I will do those who didn't get the link.
Can just 44 out of 4.
It's okay. Sandria, you send
4
personally
out of 4.
to you personally the link of the daily test. Okay, you don't worry, no problem. So daily test, not a class test or revision test, daily test. We are practicing before the periodic test, how we are attending the test. That's okay. So thank you for joining.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, 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 bye. Bye.